It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs.
It's not what? Come on, get out! Get out! Mary! Stand out here. Huh? We're not for the bad. You're not showing me.
I'm just having fun with them.
Having fun anyway.
Phobia, you must say yes. When you be called Mao, now over no more mutu. Our phobia was said yes. When you be called Canio, we and they were fearsome. Shall I be Frano, Quine Papa, now one for so now when you know.
Charlie, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem.
You can see I'm going now, so you let me go and come then.
No.
Okay, what is
you
it?
see, me, I did this house. You see,
Yes.
me, I put my eye down. You know, I see everything. There's something what I want to tell you.
Go ahead.
Then give me something. 5 CD, a tip, at least.
So what is it that you want to tell me that I should give you 5 CDs before you tell me?
Guys, you be serious. So
Yes, Empa. Are you trying to blackmail me?
No, it's not blackmailing. No.
Okay, it's a promise. I will give you 5 CDs when I return.
Okay, Gazi. It's because always you give me, tips.
You know that. You know me.
You know, have you check around and study this house here, Tiwa?
But Tiwa is not able to. How can I study that?
No. Be smart. Just be smart.
What are you saying?
What I'm trying to say is, I want you to take Tiwa into your abode. Love her.
Shut up! So, is that the reason why you've delayed my friends?
Be serious?
Yes,
See,
Emma.
I'm telling you the gospel facts. Gazi.
Okay, you wait. When I come, we will find an ample time and then we discuss this.
Then we
Okay.
discuss it.
Yes.
Okay, if you say so, okay.
Hey,
Gazi.
Yes, Emma.
Gazi.
What do you say?
Well, you guys, I don't know. Baby, I've traveled so many countries. Lebanon, Ukraine, Libya, every corner. I've been there. But you simple guys, naughty guys, won't take me out from West. How dare you? Next time, go through your head.
Home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs. Phobia, you must say yes. When you go home, now over no more mutu. Our phobia, you was said yes. When you go home, can you? Wait, and it will be a sem. Shall I be Frano, Quine Papa, now one for so. Now when you know why you're rubber. Now, yeah, my wow. Down so nice as my wow. The wood just sending me energy. Oh, I did your band. Chiana one dream. The booms were the assembly. It's about home affairs, home affairs.
What do you say? Me security.
So what do you say?
Security.
What you took the security?
Yes, security.
Good. I didn't know we security. Na me di dwumadi ahya wo nsa. Na wo ma ho kwan ma mayo a e wura fia rough anytime bia wo pepia. What is going on? Again ekoso.
Boss. Unim bibi. Ani die ani obuo amede ma ono. Ebi na aka oba no. Nti so mo ba oba ni ntimi mpamo wo.
What the for wajuma?
Boss mpacho wa.
Me ba for wajuma.
Dabi.
Why instructions say odi so?
Boss wa.
The entire we security ni say obe stop wo because omo wura fia no omo be say me ba no. Say omo be say me ba nti na me say omo do stop them. Don't let them inside. Ama me wife akasa sukra but I am mass.
Boss.
Why we security no? Omo do all to stop wo. Why?
Boss.
If you person tell say the same go back come be to a gate ya no see ya. Omo tiba wura.
Boss T. Me nse me kasa me pro me video mu ha. Me yim ayi weapons wa ha. Obi na obetime si fiase.
Do your job as a security.
I hear sir.
What is about you?
I hear sir.
Who mu gidi enti na me do want to see was as security. Please, be bound for wajuma. Me na ma for wajuma. So you have to listen to my simple instructions. And then become only me yadre.
Just I say boss madwuma so ani.
So na ka wo ma kwa ma guess we will here.
Say we nko a.
All right. You can go.
Boss. I think you one person come to 20.
Yes, sir. Sansi, let's say.
Thank you, boss. Boss.
We don't be good now. We need help.
I'm persisting me no.
Hey, that's why I want you to get me who can pick cake.
Persisting me no.
She be.
Boss.
Yes, sir.
Asem ni nyina ne say. Nya mitumi say ma ogo. Mfie no akwani mu. Chese. Wo nyini. Na ne tintini ntitimu nyina ne say. Nti me mamma no. Nkran ne befi ha. Ene say sisi no. Nhie mojam no. Asede be yi. Mfie no obetime nyina ache. Sɛ me mama ya ne befi ha. Na sɛ wo yi ba ko a. Na kyɛ sɛ me nso no manya ba ko. Ifi sɛ sisi manya akonya kakra metimi ba nkyɛn. So nti o domu no yi ba ko a na me so manya ba. Na ko yi nkyɛn. Me say boss sɛ utimi di sa dwuma wo sei a me se ofi ha bi ne ho bɛte da. Bien what me it's me manate.
Yes, Papa. See, someone also told me was someone better discussing. Any. Are you okay? Are you sure? Because only must be a Christian. Only must be a Christian. I only me better discussing. Wait,
boss.
Shut up! Someone only better discussing. I said, shut up. What you say? Me pese me tie dia wo ka no. What about ka won tie say? No, 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 ko yewujuma. Right.
Boss, Patriano wa dwon kakra.
Who they don't be show no. And I want me this can go to. Security.
When you go on Canyon, we and ever fear them. Shilabofrano, coin papa, now one for so. Now when you know why you rubber. Now, yeah, my dance on as my wa. The watch us enemies energy, the boo, I did your beno. Echiana one dream. You boons were the same neighbor.
It's about home affairs. Because girls in the band in the out don't quite, you know. I'm a same band. So I just saw I'm very strict. I'm on a strong one.
Daddy, you're butre, sweetheart.
Butre,
as a somoba. And Columbia, now yet day. Let them come. And the other time, she has some Sifia. 2 days now, and losing for no woman, what drug was say to lose your daughter, and then say, Woman Bahan, Jane, I'll pay.
No, to lose my daughter, says Mary, some woman, what has been in the casa? Because a girl, almost say, girl, no.
Almost say no.
Almost say,
don't prevent them from coming.
I'll prevent them.
They'll come for the sake of my daughter, Ombeba.
And I mean, my instructions were warning her. I'm the man of my house. I'm the man, I'm the head of the house. To the mimic, I say, Mrs.
Suman, running.
It's my name. It's my name.
It's one baby.
Who by the dinner?
It's one baby. It's a play out of this year. You cry
when you go on Canyon, we and ever fear them. Shilabofrano, coin papa, now one for so. Now when you know why you rubber. Now, yeah, my wa. Dance on as my wa. The watch us enemies energy, oh, I did your beno. Echiana one dream. The boons were the same neighbor. It's about home affairs, home affairs.
I don't know.
It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs.
Thank you. Yes,
oh, mammy, we need you. The now for no one, some kind. I could not need it. She them, sir. No, Mumran, I'm dear. And she. And dear. Let me have say no. You and Colano need it. Wash a demo, sir. And to me, some mumra. Now, I'm feeling at ease. Why?
My man, I'm crying a beefy. And he says, you know, we hear Mujamano. I said, the bear, we fear no, will be to me in nature.
I don't do it.
Yes, the person you have got this.
Mama, and Pefia. Nasa who you back one. Not just a mental snow, many about one.
Home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs. I would be a said yes, when you go home, now we're going to move. Or would be a was said yes.
Vegas, you know something? See, if I do a big broad class shade to win the Agi Benghazi seriously. Boy,
Serious, sick of. I just say Benghazi they love the girl.
you sure?
He gets some feelings for the girl. If I do every shit to win that girl, no.
And the first time you ran away, no.
I just see the thing. Yeah, I just say they love her. Maybe fear that be why.
Boy, you know something? If you try best then win that Evelyn girl give Benghazi, I swear we go get her kashi.
Yeah, man. It be that thing.
That be point.
The cash be the issue. That be why me I want to do every block clapping to win the girl give her. See, in house now this with the girl in house now this. Yeah. Come on. Make we rush there. Make a top plus and pa.
Right there.
Right this now where? Man.
Alright, Moku go.
River go.
Moku go. Boy, it be like in Poppy they come on.
What?
Hey, in Poppy they come.
Poppy they come where?
Wait, no see. Oh.
Maybe Poppy make we rush there.
This house there, what's up? Afisem.
What's up? If you say what's up? What's up?
Boy, then go there like doors, then guns, then security. I beg the security make quiet.
That your then kind things when me do and then I the boy you know.
No began that.
When he can, where Jimmy and why? You are drunk, you make you go saying you go cross.
Oh no, Moku go.
No, you make you go house, you go cross, see? Go house, you go cross.
Hey, go, boy. So right where you go then. Hey, boy. Oh. I beg wait. You know something? Right if you, hey, boy. If you go then they shoot you. I know no problem. Oh. Boy, you, hey, wait me.
The Bible beat.
It's about home affairs. It's about home affairs.
On this one.
Young Cobra, won't you now? Some said they were kind of windy Mindy. Oh, Shama,
Mama, we ain't throw. And they be out. We ain't a wadachi. Wadachi Nekutao. We'll rub by Yenny, Windy Kutao. I shall want some. Why should you? I shall want some smooth or a rubber. And the marble fool. Fantino Simakaya Maya. Meow. Did you what him?
Daddy.
Dutch in try. Yes, be on bit time once a baby. No. How possible? Men town. Oh, I'm in town.
Debbie.
We'll be in what town? You mean town why are they?
Yeah, we pay in your debut.
Daddy, Mommy, you should know I'm not outing type. So if my friends come in, you should at least allow them. Mommy, at least I'm a grown up. You should allow me.
Grown up. And you're grown up with any what's already there. I'm a young quiet lady. Grown up.
Yeah, I know. It's your right. You have your right to do anything. But sometimes, you have to.
Allow you any swing yen to two. Sir. What is?
You know, if you continue doing this, you might push me into something I don't want to.
Yeah, push.
All right. You are right. You are right. You know you are right. I know. It won't happen again, okay?
Daddy, you promise?
You are sorry. Don't worry.
Papa, do you mean it?
Yes, I am sorry. Don't worry.
Are you sure you're going to let my friends come in next time?
Yo, no problem.
You promise me?
I promise.
It's about home affairs.
I love you, Mommy.
Love you too, baby.
You know something? You are the best thing I've ever had in this world. Really? Without you, I can't do anything. Daddy, thank you.
I'm going to order you.
Anyway. Okay, me one inside.
Okay, Daddy.
Bye.
Mommy. Love you too.
Chiana one dream. The boons where the Asem never. It's about home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs.
The Bible beats on this one.
Young boy.
Show me talk at the brother. Yeah, hello. Yes, yeah, we did a wood inside. Okay. She dey come. Where she dey come? No sure see being grandpa poppy number this.
I talk plus girl usually they talk grandpa. Wow, I be kidding.
She puts that time.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Beautiful señorita.
Please, I'm not that. I'm Evelyn.
Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn. Evelyn. I beg. You know something?
What?
There is something I just want to inform you.
What is it about?
You know something? I want to download your system and download my brother's system, then fix inside. You know something?
Which brother? Is he the one who ran away the other time?
Abi, you know something?
What?
He's a specially moderated guy, from a different family, you know.
Really?
You know something?
What?
He can't even sleep. You know something? He can't even sleep.
Why can't he?
You know something? The guy loves you.
What shows?
Everything. You know something? He's having all your pictures in his room.
And how did he get that?
How? You know something? We've downloaded all your pictures from every social media.
Like,
Instagram,
seriously?
like everywhere.
Mm.
You know something? Okay. So you know something? I beg, please, show some love.
Sweetie. Cool down for me, boy. Cool down for me. Let me start now. Sweetie, see, you be sexy, yeah. We don't have any bad mind for you. We just want to help you. See? And probably small boy Shakra. Oh, you're four. The guy is from royal family. He's from royal family. Then this car, he got money.
Really? Royal family?
Tell him Poppy and cash. We want to help you, girl.
Really?
Come on.
Oh, okay.
Some person within the home. Person link you up. The only thing we need from you is just love.
When you go home, now over no more. Our phobia was said yes. When you go home, can you wait and never fear them? Shall I befriend a crime, Papa? Now one for so. Now when you know why you're rubber. Now, yeah, my wife. Down so nice as my wife. Which I send him as energy. Oh, I did your bed. No, Chiana one dream. The bones were the same neighbor. It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs. It's about home affairs, home affairs.
The Bible beats on this one.
Young Cobra, boy, won't you now? Some said they were kind of winning in the